Well, I was out here cleaning up some pine straw off the truck here, getting ready to start tearing down in it, and I happened to see something here. That's a big old bullfrog. I don't know if he's alive, or I imagine he is. Might be a little cold, but yeah, he must have been living on that pine straw. I don't have any of them over here at my house, but over there where the truck was at my father's, they got plenty of them. So I reckon that's where he came from. He's over here now, though. See if I can find some more. Get the rest of this pine straw off. That's one thing I don't have around here. Anyways, all right. Trying to clean this thing up and start tearing down in it. All right, so after some further moving around, he got a little peppy with me. He keeps running away from me. Oh, I heard him splat on the ground. There he is. He's out. That's good. He's out of the truck. Maybe he'll go and eat some bugs. Got a little pile of stuff here I gotten out of the way. We're getting it going. Got a few things off here out of my way next to the impact, and of course the saw's all there, and the hammer helped a little bit. We'll make it as easy as possible to get to. Now I'm not cutting things that I might need in the future and everything, but I have cut a couple things that won't pertain to the engine in that truck, so going in that truck, so we're good. I noticed somebody had taken the starter. I think they actually stole the starter for something else, maybe the Vanamino for the rat rod build, or maybe not. I feel like I remember something like that happening though, but either way, that's easy to come by. So I'll keep on tearing down, showing you guys more. Alright everybody, so this is where we're at. Gotten a lot of stuff out the way here. Per being advised by somebody that knows a lot more about it than I do, I went ahead and cut the wiring harness. It goes into the cab about as close as I could to the cab. Hopefully I did that the way that I was supposed to do it. Got everything moved up. I ain't unplugged anything from the motor or everything. I just moved it on top of the motor there. Power steering lines, all little cables and stuff I can see here. I'm sure I've missed multiple things, but I'm gonna get it jacked up, get some blocks under it, get some jack stands under it, and go on under there and see what I can get from the bottom. Since we got it like we do, I'm just gonna pull the motor and transmission together. I mean, that's pretty simple to do here. Might as well. Ain't got nothing in the way there, so we'll do that, and well, we'll get to that point. We're not nowhere near that yet, so we're going to get it jacked up and get going on it. But wanted to give a little recap here, show you what I got done. All right. Sun's slowly going down, but I got it on jack stands. Gonna have to readjust my jack there a little bit more and get a little bit higher, get some blocks under everything. But gonna get under there and try to get the motor mounts unhooked and get the exhaust cut and get some more wires out the way, and then get the transmission mount undone and get everything else I have to get out of that way. Then undo the drive shaft. Going to get it clear, even though, you know, plug it up, do whatever I got to do. But anyways, want to just show you all that. Give you an update on what's going on from the last time I did a little video. This is going to be in little bits here, but there you are. Had to get a late start today, but now got a little bit accomplished in a little bit of time I got. Tomorrow though, I should have a lot more time to do as much as I can. Maybe I can try to get this motor out. We'll see. That would be the big goal, so we'll try to go after that. Appreciate y'all watching. Sorry there won't much on this video, but at least I got to show you a little bit. Alright, till next time.